The grooming code. Why leaders are taken seriously before they speak. Hello everyone. This is Dr. Veena Manavalli, Director Image Station, and I'm your personal branding coach and image consultant. Welcome to the podcast series on creating the right first impressions. And today we are going to give you some fantastic tips on how a simple grooming habit can change how people respect you. Before anyone evaluates your intelligence, before they understand your experience, or before they even decide to listen, they answer one silent question: is this person worth my attention? And the answer is not based on your words, it is based on something far more immediate: your grooming signals. I want to take you into a moment most people miss. Consider, be it in a leadership review meeting or even in business presentations. Multiple professionals are seated. One person begins to speak, but before their idea is even complete, something subtle happens. People start checking their phones, eyes shift, energy drops. Now, another person speaks, same room, same context, but this time people lean in. They come forward. They have direct eye contact with the person presenting and speaking. No one announces it, no one explains it, but the room has decided this voice matters. This difference is not created in that moment. It was decided before the meeting began. Your brain is constantly scanning for order versus disorder. Why? Because order signals predictability, control, safety, and safety earns attention. Let me tell you, grooming is one of the fastest ways the brain detects: is this person internally organized or externally scattered? Here is the distinction most people never understand. Style attracts attention. Grooming sustains credibility. And credibility is what leaders are given or denied silently. Grooming is not about looking impressive. It is about eliminating cognitive resistance in others. When your appearance feels unstructured, the brain experiences friction. It starts asking, something is off. Should I trust this? But when grooming is precise, the brain relaxes, and when the brain relaxes, it becomes receptive. Your grooming should not demand attention, it should remove distraction. I repeat, your grooming should not demand attention, it should remove distraction. This is known as frictionless presence principle. So, what does it mean? It means no element should feel unfinished, no detail should create doubt. Because the moment someone notices your grooming, instead of experiencing your presence, you have already lost cognitive space. Leaders are trusted because they feel predictable, and predictability is visually communicated. This is called as predictability signal in neuroscience. When your grooming is consistent, same level of neatness, same attention to detail, same standard daily, you send a powerful signal. I am reliable even before I speak. Most people try to look better, However, leaders focus on looking precise. Precision means number one, intentional fit, number two, clean lines, number three, defined structure. All these three things create a subconscious message. This person makes clear decision. I want you to reflect on this honestly, not just emotionally or objectively. When people see you, do they experience clarity or do they experience small moments of doubt? Because those small moments become big decisions. Successful leaders don't use grooming to stand out. They use grooming to remove reasons to be questioned. They understand something very powerful. Respect is not demanded, it is made easy for others to give. If this changed how you see grooming, share this with someone who is capable but not being perceived that way. Because in the end, people don't respond to your effort, they respond to your clarity. And grooming is one of the first places that clarity is seen. Grooming is not about just appearance, it is about removing doubt. This is Dr. Veena Manavalli, your personal branding coach and image consultant, signing off.